Lorenzo is sticking there. He's sticking right at the rear wheel of the Yamaha piloting a rocky. 2.5 laps to go. There's so much pride at stake in this battle. It's so important to both these riders. It's a battle royale between the two Yamaha riders. It's the best bike out on track at the moment. They're trying to stretch, we say. And here the tweaker has worked perfectly for the two factory members. Piloting a rocky along the Lorenzo, stealing the duel par excellence here in Catalonia. 2:10 now. Lorenzo is close enough to try and get up the inside of the square rocket to the new hit right on the last lap. A lot tighter this time round.
Yeah, beautiful, Lorenzo in place.
Kunci ada kat rumah. Ada lagi test ni. Dalam 4 minit.
Apa dia ni? Wow! Dapat lagi. Ya, Rosi mandi ni. Lorenzo buat gila ni.
Lorenzo floated up once again off this flat right towards the back straight. But he's not taking the stern stairs. Walking riding with absolute wheels off his Yamaha. Lorenzo's hanging in there well. Slow to go and smile. So far all the absolute clean. They're very by the book. But there's still another lap and a half to go into the moon. And they've got to go on the front straight and Rossi on the brake. It's the business. It's down the back straight they go now. Lorenzo up on the inside of Rossi.
Aku sedikit mantap tu dia.
Tekan ni meh. Nampak G pun. Jawatan 4G tu. Dia mampu ni. Cameraman lah yang pakai ni. Dia tu. Jauh. Lagi ni buat perang kabut lah.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! Yeah! Baik. Ini memang sebut berat dia lagi. Anak-anak ni mesti kurang. Dah habis shot tengok kita. Shot tengok kita dia sampai. Apa Pak Haji ni?
Pak Haji sih.
Pak Haji tu banyak orang tadi lihat. Tengok lah. Macam aku lah. Sama si A ni tu.
Dah siap tu.
Best lah.
Aku dia tu.
Oh dia menang dah.
Aku pukul 9 aku kena ada kaipot.
Okey, Kapten.
Jadi kontak tempat nak jemput. Tiba. Bagi.
Allah.
Kita berkumpul.